The shocking truth about weight loss. What you've been told is wrong. Hey there, fitness friends. Welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. I'm your host, Anna, and today we're about to drop some truth bombs that might just blow your mind. Did you know that 95% of diets fail, and most people regain their lost weight within 1 to 5 years? Shocking, right? So, let me ask you this. How many times have you tried to lose weight only to end up right back where you started? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Today, we're going to debunk some of the biggest weight loss myths out there and reveal what really works, backed by cold, hard science. The weight loss industry is a $72 billion behemoth, yet obesity rates continue to climb. It's like we're all stuck on this crazy roller coaster, trying every new diet and trend, but never really getting anywhere. I've been there, folks. I know the frustration of yo-yo dieting. 1 minute, you're celebrating fitting into those skinny jeans. The next, you're wondering how you outgrew them. Again. It's exhausting, isn't it? But here's the good news. We can break this cycle. There's a new approach based on real science that can help us get off this wild ride once and for all. First up, let's talk carbs. You've probably heard that carbs make you fat, right? Well, not so fast. While cutting refined carbs can help, demonizing all carbs is like throwing the baby out with the bathwater. Whole grains and fiber-rich foods are actually crucial for your body and can aid in weight loss. Now onto the calorie myth. A calorie is a calorie, they say. But guess what? Your body processes 100 calories of broccoli very differently from 100 calories of cookies. It's not just about quantity, but quality too. Here's another bombshell. You can't outrun a bad diet. While exercise is fantastic for your health, when it comes to weight loss, what you eat is far more important than how much you sweat. Speaking of sweat, let's talk about sleep. Did you know that lack of sleep can sabotage your weight loss efforts? It's true! Poor sleep can mess with your hunger hormones, making you reach for those late-night snacks. And don't even get me started on stress. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, which can increase belly fat storage. So, managing stress isn't just good for your mind, it's crucial for your waistline too. Now that we've busted some myths, let's talk about what really works. The power of evidence-based approaches is undeniable. When we follow strategies backed by solid research, we're not just guessing. We're setting ourselves up for success. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like the feeling of sustainable results. Imagine waking up every day, looking in the mirror, and loving what you see. Not just for a week or a month, but for years to come. That's what we're after here at Getting Sexy Back. But it's not just about looking good. Smart weight management comes with a host of health benefits. We're talking reduced risk of heart disease, better blood sugar control, improved mood. The list goes on and on. And here's the best part. You're not alone on this journey. Our Getting Sexy Back community is here to support you every step of the way. We're all in this together, cheering each other on and sharing our victories, big and small. All right, let's recap what we've learned. Not all carbs are evil. Quality of calories matters. Diet trumps exercise for weight loss. Sleep and stress management are crucial. Now, here are some actionable steps you can take today. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Prioritize protein and fiber in your meals. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Incorporate stress reduction techniques like meditation or yoga. But don't just take my word for it. I want to hear from you. Share your experiences in the comments below. What myths have you believed in the past? What strategies have worked for you? Remember, my friends, true transformation isn't about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about making sustainable changes based on solid science. It's about loving yourself enough to invest in your health and well-being. So, are you ready to ditch the myths and embrace what really works? Are you ready to transform your body and your life? If so, hit that subscribe button and join our Getting Sexy Back community. Together, we'll bust myths, genius, share victories, and create lasting change. Until next time, keep it real, keep it science-based, and keep getting sexy back.